Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about proper diagnosis of a vehicle and why a quality automotive repair facility like the West Automotive Group charges to diagnose a vehicle properly. There's quite a bit of time spent to verify problems with a vehicle and make sure that you have pinpointed it to usually a one-point repair. Often folks believe that when you plug a scanner or scan equipment into a vehicle, it retrieves a code from that check engine light and tells you exactly what's wrong with the vehicle. Nothing could be further from the truth. What it does give you is a system that there's been a failure in or there's been a problem picked up by a sensor. When this code is found and the system's found, then you go through what's called verification testing. We actually pinpoint and test all kinds of different sensors on the vehicle, computer issues, etc., to figure out exactly what component has failed and what needs to be replaced. I often say the best money spent is the money you spend on the verification and diagnosis by a qualified technician in a quality facility. This will save you a lot of stress, save you a lot of money in the long run, and make sure that your vehicle gets fixed right the first time. In doing so, your car will run right and you'll be a happy customer. I'm Brian Bowersock.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.